I had to have a drawing board. I've had one for at least the last 60 years. I just couldn't be without one. I found this one on Facebook Marketplace for very little money. I couldn't resist it. The drawing board wasn't totally intact. That's, however, a video for a later time. I really enjoy the drawing board, and it's doing a remarkable job for me. As you can see, I've attached on the top left-hand side of the drawing board a laptop. It's a Windows 11 computer. Hanging over the top of the drawing board is a ring light and also an attachment for my Motorola Play phone for making videos. This is a great setup, and it's really working for me. To the right of the drawing board, I keep one of those IKEA little portable shelving units that have casters. You can see I've attached to it some hanging little plastic cups to hold various odds and ends, including pens, highlighters, and markers. The shelves on the unit hold all sorts of things and are incredibly handy. Another very useful item is this drawer shelving unit with casters. The storage unit holds all kinds of things, including extra pencils, pens, paintbrushes, odds and sods, extra watercolor paper, and many other things. The drawer unit resides on the right-hand side of my drawing board. I also needed a place where I could use a keyboard. There wasn't any available space on the drawing board, so I bought one of those TV trays that just slides right under the board. That works extremely well, and when I'm not using it, it just slides back under the drawing board. Many thanks for watching. I really appreciate it, and please subscribe to the channel. And if you find value in this video, click on the link for an extra offer. There are many more Frugal Studios videos coming. Have a great day and keep on sketching.